Hello guys, so if you are looking to get some quick ways to find your way around the Adobe Illustrator, is as a beginner, these are the five main tools that you are going to need or you are going to be using mostly in the Illustrator application. First of all, if you want to create a new file, you come to files and then you create a new file, or you click on Control N as it's stated up there to create a new file. And if you want to be shifting your canvas around, you just hit the enter key and then you move the canvas around. Of course, you can type on the Z and then also on the Alt to move your canvas back, zoom out, and then zoom in as well. And then yeah, dude, so that's basically how to find your way around using these particular ones. But the main ones that you're going to use, the top five tools that you're going to use in the application, the first one is the main selection tool. You type on V and then it will take you straight to the main selection tool. So assuming you were working your way with a different tool and then you want to use the main selection tool, you just type on V on your keyboard and then it will take you straight to the main selection tool. Basically, that is the tool you're going to use to create to find your way around. If you want to click on anything, file, edit, object, type, whatever it is that you want to find, you use the main selection tool to do that. The next one that you're going to be using predominantly is the direct selection tool, and it is right beside the main selection tool, and the shortcut for that one is A. So you just type A on your keyboard and then it will take you to the direct selection tool. So with the direct selection tool, what you are going to do is assuming you have a rectangle. This is not a rectangle, sorry. Assuming you have a rectangle, okay, and you would want to work on a certain aspect of the rectangle, maybe you want to push this corner up a little bit, you use the direct selection tool, you select that corner and then you manipulate it however you want to use it. So that is the direct selection tool and how it works. The next one that you are going to need is the type tool. Obviously, you are going to be doing a whole lot of typing in your design work, so you need a type tool to help you with some characters as well. So the type tool is there for you to use. You click on it or you type T on your keyboard and then it will open the type tool for you to use. You can hold on Shift plus Alt to have an equal like increase and then decrease of your font size. So you can just type anything here and then work with it. Design with Ike is what I have just written. So you can manipulate it and then do whatever you want to do with it. So that is the type tool. The next one that you're going to use predominantly is the shape builder tool. Now, because you're going to be doing logos and a whole lot of other things with the Illustrator application, you need a shape builder tool to help you create some custom shapes as well. So let's assume that I have a rectangle here again, and then I also have a circle intersecting some way somehow like this. To be able to create a shape or a very funny shape out of this whole thing, I'll need a shape builder tool, and that one you can just type on Shift plus M and then it will give you the shape builder tool, or you can select it from the tools here. That is the one right there, the shape builder tool. So you pick it and then you select the shape that you want to create. You understand? So if it's a very maneuvering kind of shape, then you can use the shape builder tool to just carve something out of it. You understand? So let's say you have this shape and then you duplicate. By the way, what I'm just doing is clicking Alt and then selecting it. It will duplicate it for you. Once you click on Alt and then you drag the image around, it will duplicate it for you. So if I select both image and I want to create this particular image that has been intersected here, I'll just use the shape builder to go straight there, click on it, and then that shape will be created for me. So after deselecting, you realize that I have been able to create that particular shape out of the rest of the shape that I intersected. So that's about the shape builder tool. The next tool that you're going to be needing or you're going to be using the most is the pen tool. Like the shape tool, the pen tool is also used to be creating shapes as well, and then custom custom shapes as well. So if you hand draw something and you import it into Illustrator, then you use the pen tool, which is right here, or you click on P to select it, and then you use the pen tool to create that particular shape that you have hand drawn. Okay, so you can also hold the shift key, and then it will give you some straight lines as well. So that's about it. Those are the top 5 tools that you'll be using directly in the Adobe Illustrator as a beginner. But from the coming days, I am going to go in depth into all of these tools and a whole lot of other interesting topics to kick you off from the Illustrator design business as well. So if you are interested, please subscribe to this channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and then share the video as well so that others will also benefit from this one. I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you so much. If there's any comment that you would want to, if there's any question, comment, suggestion, or anything, please leave it in the comment section below and I'll attend to it. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you in the next lesson.